Hello, this is DJ Ferdeen for Rockistan. We're covering Pakistan Independence Day. Show you, talk to some people, see what they think, and then we're gonna try and connect and bridge the gap between the people here and Pakistani people everywhere else. See you guys around. We're gonna be asking, who are you, sir?
I am State Senator Kirk Doran and a candidate for the governorship of Illinois.
What are you doing at a Pakistani parade?
Well, you know, I have a lot of Pakistani friends and Pakistani friends in Bolingbrook and in Schaumburg, and why wouldn't I be here? Great food, great people.
You think you can get these people to vote for you?
I think so. Pakistani community is very intelligent and they're very civic-minded, so they'll come out and vote, and I hope to convince them I'm the best candidate.
If I was to say that I'd vote for you, but you'd have to eat the spiciest foods that we can make, would you do it?
I definitely.
Anything for a vote?
Anything for a vote, but I actually like it and tolerate it very well, too.
Wow. What's your favorite Pakistani dish?
Mostly chicken dishes, you know, but I tolerate curry and spices very well.
Thanks for your time, guys.
Thank you very much. Rockistan rocks.
Thank you. पाकिस्तान में आपका इस वक्त फेवरेट आर्टिस्ट कौन है?
Atif Aslam has gone over to the other side. He doesn't really represent Pakistan anymore.
I believe that is wrong.
I think that it's Pakistan's fault because we don't respect our musicians and pay them like the way India does, and so it's our own fault.
Right. So when they go to India, though, they should go back to India and not represent Pakistan anymore as a Pakistani
You can't change
artist.
who you are just because you're making success somewhere else. What about all of us Americans right here?
Yeah.
We're Pakistani. Are we Americans? Should we go back to Pakistan now?
Okay. So the thing is, if Ali Azmat or Atif Aslam go to India, isn't he sort of doing all the other Pakistani artists a favor by exposing them to a bigger crowd?
No, because if you want to represent Pakistan, why not start with the infrastructure within our own country? Why don't we make our musicians more respected over here in Pakistan and then show the world that these are Pakistani artists, not Pakistani artists who had to go to India to find respect?
It's because there's some guy in Pakistan who gets pissed off, goes, Allahu Akbar, and then boom, infrastructure's gone.
I'm going to have to say no comment to that. Thank you.
I think we're looking at it the wrong way. If our musicians are going out and making a name in other communities, that's saying that Pakistani musicians are stepping
Why
forward.
have to go to the one country who we were separated from?
No, it's a global scene, baby. Music is global.
That is correct. We have a quarrel brewing. Please do not kill each other tonight.
Global problems, security issues, and we're fighting over Kashmir, and people are dying on a daily basis. So we need to come up with an easy medium so that we don't lose the talent within our own country and sell it to others.
We're not selling it to others.
Selling it to Indians. You are focusing for Indians to buy that music.
Vote for Amreen Hussain.
Do you think Pakistanis don't watch Indian movies?
You know what? For many years after partition, Pakistanis did not watch Indian movies because they were not allowed. They were illegal within Pakistan.
What's happening today? What's the youth doing?
Obviously, the youth is very misconstrued by Bollywood, and we need to focus on our own industry within the country.
So if Atif Aslam comes back to Pakistan through the Bollywood scene,
Him.
very good. That's what we wanted to hear.
Pakistan rocks!
Thanks a lot, guys.
Pakistan, ja, ja, Pakistan, dil, Pakistan, ja, ja, Pakistan, dil.
Man, these guys are singing better than the guys on stage.
Yeah.
Okay, I'm gonna ask you a question, all right? Do you know what language Pakistan's national anthem is written in?
Farsi, that's what.
Wow, I'm impressed. ये तो चीता निकला। अच्छा ये लालू खेलते हैं, आप कौन से खेलते हैं?
नहीं खेलते हैं यार,
मेरी वाले खेलते हैं। आप करते क्या?
हम यही करते हैं, यही
आपको आज का मेला कैसा लगा?
सही अच्छा जा रहा है। बिल्कुल, ये भी खाना खाते हैं।
आपका फेवरेट पाकिस्तानी आर्टिस्ट कौन है?
आतिफ असलम भाई, हमारे आतिफ असलम है, लेकिन जब से इंडिया तो आतिफ असलम की टाई।
Very good, thank you. What do you think of these boys that nowadays come out and they got their trousers hanging all the way down, caps are tilted? You like that kind of boy?
Ew, no.
That's good. This is for you out there. Changing yourself will not get you nowhere. Well, do you think Pakistan has a chance right now? Do you think it can come back?
If they get rid of those terrorists.
We don't have terrorists. Okay, are you scoping out any of the boys here today? Are you?
Maybe. We want to dance on the stage.
You want to dance on the stage. So the girls say they want to dance on the stage, but they don't know any people, and they don't want to go up to stage.
Pakistan rock!
Thanks, ladies. You have any Pakistani artists that you like?
No, not really. I don't really know much about Pakistani music.
So you sure you're from Pakistan?
Yeah,
Absolutely positive. Do you speak Urdu?
yeah. How about
Prove it.
उर्दू बात करनी आती है,
कैसी बात करनी आती?
अच्छी बात करनी आती है.
मगर पाकिस्तानी आर्टिस्ट का नहीं पता.
पाकिस्तानी का आर्टिस्ट नहीं पता.
आतिफ असलम का भी नहीं पता.
आतिफ असलम पता है.
Do you like him?
Yeah, he's good. I saw him on ZTV को मैं देखा हुआ है.
अच्छा, पाकिस्तानी आर्टिस्ट को इंडियन टीवी के ऊपर देखा है.
इंडियन टीवी के ऊपर देखा.
पाकिस्तानी चैनल नहीं देखते हो?
पाकिस्तानी चैनल नहीं देखता.
क्यों, काटते हैं क्या तुम्हें? सर, आपका नाम क्या है?
चौधरी उसामा अमाद.
चौधरी उसामा बम फटाका क्या?
Ahmad.
Hamad. Do you like any Pakistani artists?
Yeah, actually, I like Shazad Roy.
Is he your favorite right now?
Yeah.
Okay, Shazad Roy is your favorite. Who's your favorite Pakistani artist?
I guess Hadika Kani.
Hadika Kiani? What about Atif Aslam?
He's awesome.
Atif Aslam is awesome. What about Ali Zafar?
I hate Ali Zafar. Oh my God, Ali Zafar is good and Jala is good.
We love him.
Okay, thanks a lot. See you guys. तो अस्सलाम वालेकुम.
वालेकुम अस्सलाम व रहमतुल्लाहि व बरकातुहू.
आपको अभी तक आज का मेला कैसा लगा है?
बहुत नाइस, बहुत अच्छा लगा है. अपने पाकिस्तान के लोग आए हैं, इसको देख के बहुत खुशी होती है.
तो ये जो पाकिस्तान के लोग हैं जिनकी निकरें यहाँ तक हैं और टोपियाँ टेढ़ी हैं, इनका क्या बनेगा?
भाई उनकी टोपियाँ सीधी करनी पड़ेंगी और उनको दूसरी टोपी पहनानी पड़ेगी.
आपका फेवरेट पाकिस्तानी मिली नगमा कौन सा है?
मिली नगमा वो कौन सा है? दिल दिल पाकिस्तान.
दिल दिल पाकिस्तान. ये किसने गाया था?
ये जुनैद जमशेद.
माशाल्लाह, ये सबको पता है भाई. यहाँ के लोग भूले नहीं है अभी तक उसको. यानी वो बंदा अगर वापस आज फील्ड में आ जाए तो क्या ख्याल है, हिट हो जाएगा?
नहीं, वो बंदा बहुत अच्छी लाइन में चला गया, उसको उसी में रहना चाहिए, बल्कि सारे बंदे उसी लाइन में चले जाए.
तो फिर मिली नगमे कौन गाएगा?
मिली नगमे मैं गाऊंगी.
इंशाल्लाह, जरूर. जबरदस्त, शुक्रिया. You guys did a good show. How do you guys feel?
Honestly, I feel awesome. It's a great day. You know, Pack Independence will be celebrated. We feel blessed to be here and part of it. And I feel great. And that's my partner, Raul.
I'm Raul. I'm basically from India. So actually having that kind of crowd, having that kind of people responding to our music and our, try. So it's really good. It's really good. I appreciate it.
Who's your favorite artist in Pakistan?
I would say Rahat Bhai. Rahat Bhai is really we met him, we talked to him. But right now, who's on top right now is Atif. So basically, he have a whole generation moving. So definitely Atif, I would say he's on top right now.
I would also say Shazad Roy because he's bringing in something new.
Good. Thanks a lot. Good luck to you guys. आज हमने ये एक्सपीरियंस किया कि मैं काफ़ी जवान लड़के लड़कियों से पूछ रहा था, उर्दू में सवाल कर रहा था, मगर जवाब मुझे अंग्रेजी में मिला. इसको चेंज करने के लिए हम क्या कर सकते हैं?
Well, I think we have to promote Urdu, and it can be done only if we have Urdu introduced as a second language in the high schools of Chicago or United States. Here we have a sizable population, and we can do that. Toronto has already done it, and we are going to contact people in Toronto and find out how they did it. And hopefully we'll be able to persuade the administration of Chicago to introduce Urdu as a second language. That is the only way, I think, effective way to do that.
आपका क्या ख्याल है कि अगर पाकिस्तानी आर्टिस्ट यहाँ ज़्यादा आएँ, ज़्यादा परफॉर्म करें, can they attract the youth more towards our language?
Yeah, I think so, absolutely. लेकिन ये कि you have to have the groundwork. जबकि यूथ को स्कूलों में नहीं पढ़ाई जाती उर्दू, तो उसके नतीजे में वो उर्दू से वाकिफ़ नहीं रहते और वो म्यूज़िक के प्रोग्राम में आते हैं, सुनते हैं म्यूज़िक, उसके बाद भूल जाते हैं. तो मेरे ख्याल से अगर स्कूलों में हम कामयाब हो गए स्कूल में इंट्रोड्यूस करने में, तो यकीनन उर्दू बहुत से बच्चे बोलने लगेंगे.
Good, very good. Thank you very much.